Hi everyone, welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one of the most important concept in quantitative aptitude is all about. In each and every question, we will discuss the concept and approach. So definitely this video will help your preparation guys. So kindly share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation guys. If you are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends also. So press bell icon guys, you never miss any updates from our channel. So without any delay, let's start the session. First understand that what is the basic concept of time and work. Now basic information. A can complete the work in 2 days. There is a one work. So there is a work here. I am assigning for A. So if I assigning for A takes only 2 days to complete the work. So what it means? Per day, if we completed off work and second day off work, so definitely whole work is completed. So if each and every day he completed 50% of work, then the whole work is completed in 2 days. So what is the point you should understand in this concept? Guys, efficiency is all about per day. So efficiency is all about per day work. So efficiency is always inversely proportional to time. This is the point you should understand that. So efficiency of any person is depends on the time itself. It's a inversely proportional. Let's understand this comparison. A can complete the work in 10 days. B can complete the work in 20 days. Now you guys tell me who is the most efficient person? Most efficient person. A takes 10 days, B takes 20 days. Who is the most efficient person among those? Please comment your answer. So there is a work we are assigning for two different people. This work A can complete it in 10 days, B can complete it in 20 days. Out of these two, who is most efficient person? Yes, we can conclude at that in this information A is most efficient person. Sir, how we can conclude that A is most efficient means in a given comparison, if any person complete that work in less number of days, so we can conclude that that person is most efficient. Now, what is the per day work? What is the per day work of A? So A can complete it 1 by 10th of a work. What is the per day work of B? Per day work of B is 1 by 20. Now, what is the per day work of A and B? What is the per day work of A and B? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. So, what is the next calculation? We are applying the concept of L.C.M. So, 10 and 20, L.C.M is 20 units. Now, 10 becomes 20 is 2 units, 20 become 20 is 1 unit. So, per day work of A and B is 3 out of 20. Now, here the question. If A can complete the work in 10 days, B can complete the work in 20 days. If A and B work together, how many days does it take? You know that efficiency is inversely proportional to the time and time is inversely proportional to efficiency. Now, per day work of A and B together is 3 by 20. So, AB can complete the work in how many days? 20 by 3 days. It is inversely proportional. So, 20 by 3 is all about 6 2 by 3 days. Is it clear? Now, 2 points we should understand that one, we are talking about efficiency. Efficiency is inversely proportional to the time. And the second important calculation you applied in this question is LCM. Why? Because see, you can check this calculation in the fraction. We are applied the concept of LCM. Try to understand. I just want to explain this calculation in a different way. There is a work. A can complete it in 10 days. B can complete it in 20 days. A can complete it in 10 days and B can complete it work in 20 days. Now we are talking about work. What kind of work? You can assume any values. Let us assuming that my work is 30 units. I am just assuming that here the work is 30 units. We can take any reference value. 30 units of work completed by A. 30 units of work completed by A in 10 days. It means per day A can complete it 3 units, then whole work is completed in 10 days. 30 units of work completed by B in 20 days. It means each and every day they completed 1.5 units. If B completed 1.5 units, then the 30 units is completed in 20 days. Now the question, A and B together is how many days does it take? Now see, total work is 30. Now 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5. 4.5 can be taken as 45 divided by 10. Now further simplification, 3, 5, 2 times and 9 times, 3 times and 10 times. Now the value becomes 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is all about 62 by 3 days. Now let's assume a different value. So instead of 30, let us assuming that 40 units. Let us assume as 40 units. 40 units of work completed by A in 10 days. So per day work of A is 4 units. 40 units of work completed by B in 20 days. Per day efficiency is 2 units. Now total work is 40. Now we are assigning A and B together. A and B together is 6 units per day. Then the total work is completed in 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is 62 by 3 days. Now let us take 100 now. For example, 100 units of work completed by A in 10 days. So per day work of A is 10 units. 100 units of work completed by B in 20 days. Per day efficiency is 5 units. Now 100 units is total work. We are assigning A and B together. A and B together is 15. Now further calculation is 5 table 20 by 3. Still both can complete the work in 62 by 3 days. Last one, let us take 20. 20 units of work completed by A in 10 days. Efficiency of A is 2 units per day. So 20 units of work completed by B in 20 days. Efficiency of B is 1 unit. Now 20 units of work. So if A and B work together 3 units per day, then the whole work is completed in 62 by 3. Means for the total work you can assume one value. For the easy calculation, we are applying the concept of LCM. LCM minimize your calculation. But instead of LCM, you can assume any value, but it takes some extra calculations. That's why 10 and 20 common multiple, least common multiple is 20. So here the total work is always considered as LCM of given parameter. Let's understand that. For example, see, A can complete the work in 10 days, B can complete the work in 20 days, C can complete the work in 30 days. Now see, here we need one total value. So total value is all about work. I told you any work you can consider LCM of the given numbers. What is the LCM of 10, 20, 30? So LCM of all these numbers is 60 units. Now my total work is 60 units. 60 units of work completed by A in 10 days means per day efficiency is 6 units. 60 units of work completed by B in 20 days per day efficiency is 3 units. 60 units of work completed by C in 30 days per day efficiency is 2 units. So if your question is about the efficiency of ABC is 6 is to 3 is to 2. Efficiency is all about per day work. Efficiency is all about per day work. If A, B, C work together, how many days? Then whole work is completed. Now the whole work reference is 60 units. Now we are assigning all these three persons in the work. A, B, C together. So they completed 11 units per day. For 60 units, how much time does it take? 11 into 5, 55. Remainder is 5 by 11. So for this work, if I assigning all these three persons, then whole work is completed in 5 by 11 days. Remember guys, efficiency Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Efficiency is indicates per day work, and per day work of each and every person is same. And the third one, in a given comparison, the reference of total work is L.C.M of given variables. And the fourth important point, so if you want to distribute any amount, so amount is distributed according to their efficiency only. That's why amount is always directly proportional to efficiency. So these are the four important points you should understand from time and work concept. So efficiency to time is inversely proportional. Efficiency is all about per day work, and the total work we have to assume one value. You can use the concept of L.C.M. If you have any amount in this work, if you want to distribute among the people, then amount is directly proportional to efficiency. So these are the four theoretical points you should understand from this concept. Again, remember guys, efficiency is all about per day work. Per day work, it means the person contribute that work in a day. So it means he can he can complete it 6 units per day. If he works for 2 days, he completed 12 units. If he work for 3 days, he can complete it 18 units. Same way, per day work of B is 3 units, per day work of C is 2 units. So this is all about basic concept of time and work. Now let's start this exercise to understand this concept. Try to answer this question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. I will give the explanation after 2 minutes. Now let's see this question. So Rama can complete the work in 20 days. Rama can complete the work in 20 days. Krishna can complete the work in 30 days. So we can conclude it that Rama is most efficient person than Krishna. Why? Because Rama completed less number of days when compared to Krishna. And remember that if Rama is most efficient person, it means his contribution is also more than Krishna. Now we need total work. So total work is L.C.M of 20 and 30 is 60 units. 60 units of work completed by Rama in 20 days. Per day efficiency is 3 units. 60 units of work completed by Krishna in 30 days. Per day efficiency is 2 units. Now the question, total work is 60 units. We are assigning Rama and Krishna together. If both are working together, they completed 5 units. For 60 units, both will take only 12 days. Both will take only 12 days. Yes, very good, Nana. Next. Try to answer this question. Now try this question. If A and B together can complete the work in 35 days, A and B together can complete the work in 35 days. A can complete the same work in 60 days. Another question, B alone can take how many days? Same, find the total work. So what is the LCM of 35 and the 60? See, 35 and 60 means 5 into 7. 60 is all about 5 into 3 into 4. 3 into 4 into 5 is a 60. As you know that in a prime factorization method, LCM does not require any common number. Consider the highest power. 5 into 3 into 4 into 7. It means see 6 into 7 is 420 units. Now 420 units of work completed by A in 60 days. So efficiency is 7 units. In the same way, 35 becomes 420 is exactly equal to 12 times. So 350 plus 70 is 420. Understand the efficiency here. See, A and B together, they will complete 12 units per day. As you know that A efficiency is 7. Out of 12, if A contribution is 7 units, definitely B's contribution is 5 units. Another question. We have to complete 420 units and we are assigning for B. Assigning for B means they completed 5 units per day. Clear? Now 5 units per day, if you go through the simplification, if B can complete this work alone in 84 days. Yes, good none. Very good. Next, move to that question number 3. Sushil can complete the piece of work in 15 hours. Bishan can complete the same work in 18 hours. If they work together, how much time they will take to complete the work? So Sushil take 15 hours. Bishan take 18 hours. See what is the total work here? LCM of 15 and 18. Total work is 90 units. Now 90 units of work completed by Bishan in 18 days. Per day efficiency is 5 units. 90 units of work completed by Sushil in 15 days. Per day work is 6 units. Now we have to assign both the persons for this work and the total work is 90 units. If A and B together, they will complete 11 units. 11 into 8, 88 and 2 by 11. Then whole work is completed 8, 2 by 11 hours. Next. Next question. Try to answer this question. Now see this question number 4. Rajesh can finish the task in 4 days. Rajesh can take only 4 days to complete the task. Mahesh can complete the same task in 3 days. 3 days. So total work is 12 units. Rajesh efficiency 3 units. Mahesh efficiency is 4 units. If both of them finish the task together, they will get 350 rupees in total. Now we have to identify that what is the share of Rajesh. I told you now, any amount distribution. So amount is always directly proportional to the efficiency. So as you know, the efficiency of Rajesh and Mahesh. Rajesh and Mahesh is 3 is to 4 units. It means if the total amount is 7 units, how you will get 7 units? 3 plus 4. If the total amount is 7 units, I have to pay 3 units for Rajesh, 4 units for Mahesh. But we have a distribution of 350. Now compare this calculation. Each unit is 50 rupees. Now share of Mahesh is 200. So each unit is 50. 4 into 50 is 200. Rajesh, 3 into 50 is 150 rupees. So the answer is 150. Very good. Nana. Next, question number 5. Karan works twice as fast as Shyam. So they are talking about efficiency. So efficiency between Karan and Shyam. So they clearly mention that Karan works twice as efficient as Shyam. Means if Karan completed 2 units per day, Shyam can completed only 1 unit. If they work together, guys, if they work together per day, they completed 3 units. Per day, they complete 3 units. So 2 plus 1. And they clearly mention that working together, they complete the task in 20 days. So per day is 3 units, then the total number of units is equal to 60. Each day they completed 3 units. They work for 20 days and the total number of units is 60. Now the question for these 60 units, how many days will Karan alone? We are assigning only Karan for this work. How many days does it take? So Karan efficiency is 2 units per day. For 60 units, he takes only 30 days. Guys, this is my Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code and you can go through the content. If you like, you can follow us and share this information with your friends also. So just scan this QR code. You can get my channel name V2V Prep and check the content before following any my social networks. Just go through the content. If you feel it is useful for you, then only you can follow us and kindly share with your friends also. So definitely in future we will come up with more number of sessions. Next, try this question. So try to understand this information. So they are talking about efficiency among A, B. A is 50% efficient as B. A is 50% efficient as B means ratio of A and B per day work is 1:2. Now understand that this statement is important. C completes half of the task completed by A and B together in a day. So in a day, if A and B completed one work, then C completed only half work. So what it means? Efficiency of C is A plus B by 2. So if we completed certain number of units, then C can completed half of that work. So if A and B together is 3 units, then C efficiency is 1.5 units. Now the question, C alone can complete the task in 40 days. If C alone, efficiency of C is 1.5 units per day, he takes only 40 days. Now what is the total work here? So total work is equal to 60 units. Now the question, we are assigning these 60 units for A, B, C. So A, B, C together, they will complete 4.5 units, 4.5 units. Now go through the simplification. See, 4.5 is all about 45 by 10. Now 15 3 times, 15 4 times. Now answer is 40 by 3. 40 by 3 is 13, 1 by 3 days. So you have to understand this point. C completed half of the task completed by A and B together. It means in a day, if A and B completed 3 units, then C completed only 1.5. In a day is all about efficiency. Next, move on to the next question. So, who among has fastest speed as complete the same task? As you already know that whoever completes that work in less number of days, he is the most efficient person. Now see, 25 percentage of task A completed 25 percentage of task in 10 days. As you know that how much take for full work? So full work is 100 percentage. 100 percentage means A can complete the full work in 40 days. Same way, B completed 40 percentage of work in 40 days. So what about the B can completed full work in 100 days. So 40, then we have to identify that 100 percentage. C completed one third of work in 13 days. One third of working in 13 days. What about the full work here? 13 into 3 is 39 days. Now you already know that there is a one work. If I assigning for A takes 40 days, B takes 100 days, and C takes 39 days. Among these three person, who is the most efficient person? Of course, it's a C. Why? Because C completed less number of days when compared to other two people. That's why C has the fastest speed to complete this task. Next, try this question. Next one, see. A alone can complete the work in 12 days. A takes 12 days. B alone can complete the work in 18 days. You know the total efficiency we have to identify that. Total work is 36 units. A efficiency is 3 units per day. B efficiency is 2 units per day. Now here the question. They started working together. See now A and B started working together. After 3 days, guys, after 3 days, there is a change. But before that, A and B completed 3 days of work. According to the efficiency, A and B completed 5 units per day. Then 5 day means 3 days. So they completed 15 units. So how many units are left? 36 minus of 15, 21 units are left. And these 21 units should completed by B in how many days? Clear? They started working together, A and B together. No, but A left after 3 days means A and B worked together. A and B worked together. They completed 15 units per day. Now find the difference between 36 and 15. Now you got the difference of 21 units. Now the question here, in how many days B alone able to complete the remaining work? See, remaining work is 21 units. Now we are assigning for B. Efficiency of B is 2 units per day. For a 21 units, it takes only 10.5 days. It's 10.5 days. Clear? Remaining 21 units has to be completed by B. Efficiency of B is 2 units per day. 21 divided by 2, then B completed remaining work in 10.5 days. For example, you can expect this question also. What is the total time to complete the work? Initially 3 days, later 10.5 days, then the whole work is completed in 13.5 days. Next. Try to solve this question. Avinash, Bhuvanesh, and Chaman can complete the piece of work in 20, 30, 60 days respectively. In how many days can Avinash complete the work if he assisted by Bhuvanesh and Chaman on every third day? See, understand this statement. There are three persons, Avinash, Bhuvanesh, and Chaman. So Avinash take 20, Bhuvi take 30, and Chaman take 60. And the total work is 60 units. Efficient. Efficiency of A, 3 units per day. Efficiency of B, 2 units per day. Efficiency of C, 1 unit per day. Now the question they clearly mentioned that Avinash. So how many days Avinash complete the work if he assisted by Bhunesh and Chauman on every day, third day? Means day 1 is Avinash, day 2 is Avinash, and day 3 is Avinash, Bhuvanesh, and Chaman. Again, fourth day A, fifth day A, and sixth day A plus B plus C. See, what's your understanding? Means every 3 days in this question, every 3 days efficiency is same. It means number of units of every 3 days are same. Means every 3 days they completed. See, day 1 A 3 units, here 3 units, here 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6 units. Now in 3 days they will completed 12 units. In this cycle the total number of units in this question is 60. Now 12 become a 60, each and every value is multiplied with the 5 times. Means you will get 5 different cycles. Now each cycle efficiency is 12 units. Now the total work is completed in 15 days. Very good, Nana Shravani. Next, try to solve this question. Now see this question. Anil and Balbir can finish the task in 3 days. Anil and Balbir can complete the task in 3 days. It means per day, they completed 1 unit, then the total work is equal to 3 units. Understand, guys? A and B together they completed in 3 days, means per day work. First day 1 by 3, second day 1 by 3, and third day is also 1 by 3. It means every day A and B together is 1 unit, and we don't know the efficiency of A and B. Let's find this data. They started together. After 2 days, Anil got injured. It means you know that A and B worked together for 2 days. And you know the efficiency, per day efficiency is 1 unit, and they completed 2 units. Now how many units are left? So here the remaining is 1 unit. And they clearly mention that A got injured, then Balbir is working. And Balbir take 2 more days to complete the remaining work. For that 1 unit, Balbir take 2 days. It means here efficiency of Balbir is 0.5. So per day is 0.5. That's why 1 unit he takes 2 days. Efficiency of Balbir is 0.5. So out of one unit, efficiency of A is 0.5, efficiency of B is 0.5. Now the question is how many days Balbir alone to finish the task? You know the total work is equal to 3 units. And the Balbir efficiency is 0.5 units per day. For 3 units, it takes how many days? 6 days. Hope you understand the concept. Is it clear? Please let me know in the comments. Next, try to answer this question. A man and woman can complete the task in 8 and 12 days. Now see, a man and woman can complete the task in 8 and 12 days. Let's find the efficiency. Total work is 24 units. A man efficiency is 3 units per day. Woman efficiency is 2 units per day. Now we have to finish 24 units. Now we are assigning 2 men and 3 women. What is the efficiency of each man? 2 into 3. And efficiency of each woman is 3 into 2. So here 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So if you are assigning 2 men and 3 women, then the whole work is completed in 2 days. Next. So it's all about alternative days concept. Try to solve this question. Now see, A can complete the work in 20 days, B can complete the work in 30 days, C can complete the work in 40 days. Now the total number of units is 120. So here efficiency 6 units, efficiency 4 units, efficiency is 3 units. So understand this data. A works every day. Every day you can see A. He works every day. B assisted on odd days means A plus B day 1, day 3, day 5, so on. And C assisted on even days, day 2, day 4, day 6. Again, understand this cycle. In every 2 days, how many units they will complete it? A plus B is 10 units. A plus C is 19 units. Clear? So clearly mention that A works on every day. You can see A works on every day and A is assisted B on all days and C assisted A on all even days. Means every 2 cycles, means every 2 days they will complete it 19 units. Now go through the simplification. See. So 19, okay, sorry, C 60 days now. So C 60, then LCM is 2. Then AC is 6 plus 2 is 8. 20, 30, 60, then you can change the LCM also. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Then the total efficiency is 60 units. So total number of units is 60. A efficiency is 3 units. B efficiency 2 units. C efficiency 1 unit. Total work is 60 units. Now here A and B together is 5. AC is 4. So in 2 days they will complete it 9 units. So you never get 16 9 multiple. Check the nearest multiplication. 9 into 6. 2 into 6 means in 12 days they will complete it 54 units. But the task we have to finish 60. Now 13th day. Now 13th day, who will work odd days? Now so A plus B. So A plus B completed 5 units. Means in 13 days they completed 59 units. Now how many units are remaining? There is only 1 unit is remaining. Next day we have to assign A and C together. As you know that AC work together, they completed 4 units in a day. For a 1 day, they will take only 1/4 of a day. So that 1 unit is completed in 1/4 of the day. Now the question, the total work is completed in how many days? So 13, 1/4 days. Guys, this is my WhatsApp channel. You can scan the QR code. You can find my channel name V2V Launchpad. So go through my all the content, what kind of content I updated in my social networks. If you feel it is like it helps for your career, so kindly share and subscribe to and share these information with the maximum number of people who are preparing for the different examinations. And definitely, guys, our videos will help your preparation. Next, understand one more concept. Anyone, you just tell me, two persons can complete work in 3 days. So two persons can complete the work in 3 days. One person can complete the same work in how many days? Just post your answer in the comments, guys. Two persons can complete the work in 3 days. One person can complete the same work in how many days? So there is a work. If you are assigning for two persons, it takes 3 days. Now we are assigning for only one person. How many days does it take? It's not 3/2. See, for two persons it takes 3 days. One person it takes more than 2 days. See, for a one person it takes only 6 days. That's why understand that in this scenario, total work depends on number of persons is multiplied with the number of days. You should multiply with the number of hours. See, in this scenario, total work is depends on how many are working, how many number of days, and each person how many hours they work in a day. So these three parameters will decide at the total work. See, here work is all about persons, days, and hours. Remember this point. It's a different calculation. So in a given comparison, you can apply the LCM concept. If you have number of persons, number of days, and number of hours, and you should multiply it. Just check with this question to understand that concept. Now see, a group of men decided to complete the work in 10 days. So we group of men, we don't know that how many are there. Their target, let's take X men, they complete the task in 10 days. But 5 of them remains absent and rest of the group completed the work in 12 days. Now see, initially there are X number of persons, they complete the task in 10 days. But due to absence, due to there are 5 persons are absent, now how many people are there? X minus 5 people, and the same work is completed in 12 days. Work is same. So if X number of people, work is completed in 10 days, but 5 are absent. Because of that absent, the whole work is completed in 12 days. Now just understand the equation. 10x is equal to 12x minus 60. Then 2x is equal to 60. And the number of persons in this information is 30. See, total work is all about number of people, number of hours, and number of days. Next. See, if 3 men or 6 boys can complete the task in 20 days, it means, see, if we are assigning 3 men, they complete the task in 20 days. If you are assigning 6 boys, they also complete the task in 20 days. It means here efficiency of 3 men is equal to 6 boys. So their efficiencies are same. 3 men exactly equal to 6 boys. Means men by boy efficiency is 2 by 1. Now what about the total work? You can take any information. 3 men efficiency 2 unit 20 days and the total work is equal to 120. Otherwise, you can take this is also 6 boy efficiency is 1 unit. 1 into 20 into 6 is 120. Total work we can't change, guys. Now, the total work you will get 120 units of work. We are assigning for 6 men, 8 boys. So, if 6 men, 8 boys together, they will complete 20 units per day. For 120 units, so it takes only 6 days. Right answer this question. Now, same way, see, 15 men, 25 women can repay field in 22 days. It means 15 men efficiency exactly equal to 25 women. So, men by women efficiency is 5 by 3. Now, what is the total work here? 15 into men efficiency is 5 units and they reap the entire field in 22 days. So that is the total efficiency. Now we are assigning 9 men. So 9 into 5, 18 women, 18 into 3. 9 into 5 is 45, 3 into 10 is 30 and 24. So 18 into 3, 54. So total value 75 plus 24 is 90. Let's check with the calculation here. 11 2 times, 11 9 times. Again 3 times and 5 times. So answer is 50 by 3. Now see 3 ones, 3 6. So 16 into 3 48, 2 by 3 days. Next question number 16. Guys, this is for you. Understand the information and try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. Just understand that a man complete a work in 15 days, working 4 hours per day, 5 days, 5 hours per day, 5 days, 6 hours per day is 5 days. If he works for 8 hours per day with a half an hour lunch break, he will complete the work in how many days? So try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. So let's move on to the next question. Now see this question here. 30 workers can build a bridge in 40 days. If 75 workers are assigned to be complete the same work, the number of days required. See, what is the initial project duration? 30 workers build the bridge in 40 days. Now, the same work we are assigning 75. So, how many days does it take? So, they're talking about the same work, right? Now, further multiplication 15 5 times 15 2 times. 5 exactly 8 times. So, if 75 persons if we are assigned, then the whole work is completed in 16 days. Now, see, ABC can complete the task in 5 days. BCD can complete the task in 10 days. CDA can complete the task in 15 days. DAB can complete the task in 30 days. Now see, let's take the LCM is 30 units. ABC together, efficiency 6 units. BCD together, 3 units. CDA together, 2 units. DAB together is 1 unit. Now see, if you add all these equations, see, A plus B plus C. For your understanding only, I'm writing all these steps. 6, B, C, D. 3, C, D, A. 2, D, A, B. 1. If you add all these equations, you will get 3 times of A plus B plus C plus D. Sum of all these values, 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 14 units. Sorry, 12 units. Means A plus B plus C plus D. 4 units per day. Another question. If all are together, how many days does it take? You know the total work is 30 units. Now, if our all are together is 14 units, then the whole work is completed in 7.5 days. For example, if you want the efficiencies, guys, understand that. See, efficiency of all these persons. So, if efficiency of all these persons is 4 units per day, 4 units per day. So, for 30 units, it takes only 7.5 days. Clear? Next, question number 19. Now, see, 12 men can complete the task in 16 days. Two-thirds of women can complete the same task in 12 days. 8 men, 8 women together, they worked for 12 days. After women are dropped, 8 men joined. How many days it is able to complete the remaining work? See, 12 men can complete the task in 16 days. 32 women can complete the task in 12 days. They are talking about same work, right? 12 into men efficiency, they completed 16 days. Same we are assigning for 32 women, they completed in 12 days. So let's cancel this value. 12, 12 cancel. This is exactly 2 times. Men by women efficiency is 2 by 1. Let's find the total work. So total work 12 into men 2 units. So they're working for 6 days, 16 days. So 12 into 2 is 24 into 16. So 240 plus 120 plus 24. So total value see 360, 384 units. This is total work. So I just split 16 as 10 plus 5 plus 1. So 24 into 10 is 240. Off of 240 is 120 and 24 into 1 is 24. And 120 plus 24 is 144 plus 240 is equal to 384. Now understand this. Here we are assigning how many people in this data? 8 men, 8 women. 8 men, 8 women. So how many units they will complete it per day? 24 units. And they together for 12 days. So 24 into 12. So 24 into 12 is 288 units. So now after see out of 384 they completed 288 units. How much of difference you can able to see? Here 84 plus 12, 84 plus 12, 96 units are left. Now these 96 units, they clearly mention that all women are dropped. Initially we have 12 women. If all women are dropped, we are adding 8 more women. So the total number of men is 20. Then how many days men able to complete the remaining task? Clear? So let's check with the calculation here. 12 men efficiency is 2 by 1. 12 men 16 days 2. Sorry. So 8 men 8 women. So men efficiency is 2 units. 8 into 2 plus 8 is equal to 24 units, right? They worked for 12 days. 24 into 12 is 24. 240 plus 12 is 288. After 8 men joined, all women are dropped. Okay. Then initially we have 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. So then able to complete the remaining task is 4.8 days. Clear? Let me check with the calculation. I can't find the option. I made any mistake. 12 men, 16 days, 32, 32 women, 12 days. So 12 into m into 16 is equal to 32 into women into 12. 12, 12 cancel 16 into 2. Then men is 2 units, so men is 1 unit. Yes, you got the efficiency. So 32 into 12 is also 320 plus 320 plus 64 is 384 is the total work. Yes. Now in this data, 8 men, 8 women work together for 12 days. 8 men, 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 1 is 8, 16 plus 8 is 24 days. And they worked for 12 days. So 24 into 10 to 40, 24 into 2 is 288 units they completed. Out of 384, if you subtracted, then the difference become 96. And these 96 units, after which the women dropped. So total women dropped in this work. See, no, sorry. I made a one mistake in this last calculation. See, so total we have 8 men and 8 women. They completed 288 units, right? Now they clearly mentioned that now all the women is dropped and 8 more men. So total number of men is 16. So 96 units, 16 men are worked together. So they complete the task in 4 days. Sorry, 16, 6 times, right? 6. Right? Because 8 men and 8 women, 12 days, which is women dropped 8 more men. 8 plus 8 is 16, 96 6 days. So in how many days men able to complete the remaining task? 6 days. 6 days is the right answer. Next, let's see this last question. 2 men, 3 women can complete the task in 10 days. 3 men, 2 women can complete the task in 8 days. 2 men, 1 woman can complete the task in how many days? Same thing. 2 men, 3 women. Number of people, they completed the task in 10 days. Same work, if you are assigning 3 men, 2 women, they complete the task in 8 days. So 2 4 times, 2 5 times. So 10m plus 15w is equal to 12m plus 8w. Let's find the difference here. 2m is equal to 7w. Now m by w is equal to 7 by 2. You got the efficiency. Now you can replace here 2 into m, 2 into 7 plus 3 into women is 2. So 2 into 7, 14, 3 into 2, 6. So total 20 units. And they work for 10 days, then the total work is equal to 20 into 10 is 200. Now these 200 units of work, we are assigning 2 men and 1 woman. So 2 into 7 plus 1 into 2. So 16. So 4 6 times, 450 times. Again 2 times, here 25 times. So answer is 12.5 days. 12.5 is all about 12 1 by 2. Otherwise, guys, you know that efficiency is inversely proportional to the time. See, men, women. See, 2 men and 3 women work for 10 days means men also works 10 days and women is also works 10 days. Means here men total members means total men efficiency is 20 units. Women efficiency is 30 units. Why? Because 2 men 10 days means 20 units. 3 women 30 days is 30 units. 3 men 2 women can do the work in 8 days. So here men is 24 units. Women is 16 units. Let's find the ratio. Here the ratio is here 6 is to 14. 6 is to 14. After cancellation, it's all about 4 is to 14 is all about 2 is to 7. So we are talking about days, right? This is all about days. We need efficiency. Efficiency is inversely proportional to the time. The respective efficiency is 7:2. Now the total work, 7 into 20 is 140, 2 into 60, 30 is 60, and the total work is 200. Now we are assigning these 200 units of work for 2 men, 1 woman. 7 into 2, 14 units, 2 into 1, 2 units, then they completed 16 units per day. For a 200 units, it takes only 12.5 days. So, few important points, guys. First of all, efficiency is inversely proportional to the time, and the total work, there are two different ways. So, if it is a comparison based, you can apply the concept of L.C.M. If the people which are involved, then number of persons who are working number of days, each day how many hours they worked. So these three parameters will decide the total value. And the third important point, so if you want to distribute any amount is directly proportional to the efficiency. As you know that efficiency is all about per day. That's it. So these are the major information you should understand before solving any time and work concept. Guys, I will update this PDF in my Telegram channel. You just download the material and practice once again. So you can find the link also. Just practice once again. Definitely you can able to solve any questions in time and work concept. And you can scan this QR code. You can get my channel name as V2B Launchpad. This is my Instagram ID. Just go through all the social network and before joining any of my channels, go through the content. If you feel it is help for your preparation, so you can kindly follow us and share this information with your friends. So if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. You never miss any updates whenever I posted any kind of information, guys. So that's it. So until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.